In this video, I'll guide you through how to convert a PDF to Google Docs in Google Drive so you can easily edit and work with content that originally came as a PDF. Let's start from the very beginning, getting your PDF into Google Drive. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and have Google Drive open in your browser. If you already have the PDF saved on your computer, look toward the top left of your Drive screen and click the New button. From the menu that appears, choose File Upload. This will open a file picker window on your computer. Navigate to where your PDF is stored, click on it once, then click Open. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom right corner of your screen, and when it's finished, the PDF will appear in your Drive. If the PDF is already in your Google Drive, you can skip the upload and go straight to finding it. Use the search bar at the top to type the name of your file or browse through your folders until you see the correct PDF. Once you've located it, you're ready to turn it into an editable document. Next, move your mouse over the PDF and right-click on it. This opens a context menu with several options. Look for the option that says Open With. When you hover over Open With, a submenu will appear. From that list, click on Google Docs. If you don't see it right away, you might have to wait a second for the menu to load, but it should appear as one of the main choices. As soon as you click Google Docs, Drive will start converting your PDF into a Google Docs file. This may take a few moments, especially if your PDF is large, has many images, or contains complex formatting. A new tab will open in your browser showing the converted document. At the top of the page, you'll see a Google Docs interface with menus like File, Edit, and View, which confirms that your PDF is now in Docs format. Google Drive will automatically give this new document the same name as your original PDF, with .pdf removed. You can change the title by clicking on the name at the top left of the document and typing a new one. From here, you can edit the text, change fonts, adjust formatting, and use all the regular Google Docs tools. It's important to know that the conversion is not always perfect. Simple text-based PDFs usually convert very well, but if your file has lots of columns, tables, or unusual fonts, things might shift around a bit. Images will often appear in the document, but their placement can sometimes change. Always scroll through the converted document and check for spacing, line breaks, and any sections that might need a quick cleanup. You'll still keep your original PDF in Google Drive. The system creates a separate Google Docs copy, so you don't lose anything. If you ever need to share or download the editable version, you can use the Share button in the top right or go to File, then Download, and choose a format like Microsoft Word or a new PDF. That's all there is to it. You upload the PDF to Google Drive, right-click it, open it with Google Docs, and let Drive handle the conversion so you can edit and reuse your content with ease.